Let me show you the setup of my connection between an hybrid camera, Lumix G7, and a smartphone, Android smartphone, a very cheap Motorola smartphone, to live stream directly from the camera to the internet to a Facebook group, as you can see in this app. So the app is called CameraFilive. You can find it on the App Store and on Google Play for free. Obviously, you will need something to connect your smartphone, your Android smartphone, to the DSLR or the hybrid camera. I'm using this type of dongle. So this is a very cheap dongle. I've connected it with some black tape here to the adapter. It's a very cheap dongle you can find on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below. It's an HDMI to USB, so HDMI on this side and USB on the other side dongle. And then I have here an adapter to adapt to connect this dongle to my smartphone. So this is the adapter. I have two of them. I have a spare one just in case. So this thing is very cheap. This thing is also very cheap. And then you've got the app, the CameraFilive app. There's something very important. The fact that you have to download an APK from CameraFilive's website in order to use it on the most recent Android versions. Otherwise, it won't connect to the camera. I will also leave a link in the description so that you can download the APK. The way you do it is you download the app from Google Play, so for Android. And then you download the APK onto your phone, you open the APK, and it will merge with the app that you originally downloaded on your smartphone, and this will enable the connection between your camera and your smartphone. You can also see on the other side I have a Rode microphone connected to my camera to have a better sound for the live stream. The good thing about Lumix cameras is that they deliver a clean HDMI output. So you've got the HDMI output here on the side, and it's clean, so there's nothing, as you can see, on the screen besides the image, which is very important if you want to live stream. Another very important feature of Lumix cameras is that they don't stop after, let's say, 30 or 45 minutes if they are idle, which is the case for instance, the EOS M50 that I'm holding in my hand to film this demo. A Canon camera will shut down after, let's say, 40-45 minutes, which is a problem if you want to have a stable live stream. So let's go maybe on the other side to see what's going on here. So you see the microphone, you see the cable here, the spiral cable connecting the HDMI output of my camera to the USB dongle there, so the HDMI to USB, and there the gray cable connecting to the smartphone. So that is basically the setup that you will need. So let's go back to the other side now and have a look at the app. So using the app is very easy. You just have to connect, for instance, one of your Facebook pages or group or personal page. You have to authenticate, and then you just press on start right here. And as you can see, you've got exactly the same picture that you have on your camera screen. Okay, and then you can just press on start. It will create the stream. Here it's on a test page in a Facebook group, and then it will just basically start after pressing on go. So there's a warning, broadcast starting, and it will start in a moment. The good thing also with this app, CameraFilive, is that you can add some effects, very nice effects here. to the live stream. So for instance, if you want to have a waiting screen like this, let's look at the waiting screen. You see, stream starting soon. You can also, so you can remove it, so you are back to the video, or you can have like a like invitation there, or full of art like that. So you can add effects during your live stream, which is pretty handy. So you see that it's live on the Facebook group, and if I press on the stop button, it will just close the stream. So the stream is over, and I can share the stream, or I can just close it, and the stream will be recorded and archived on the page, the profile, or the Facebook group. Oh, important stuff also, as you can see, I've got my camera here connected to a very powerful external battery. It can last for a day, I can tell you. Yesterday I tried it twice for 4 hours, and it wasn't even at 75%. So it's a very powerful and pretty big also battery, as you can see. It's connected to a dummy battery, so a battery which is powered by USB power inside the camera, so that I have no issue with a battery running out of power in 45 minutes. Very important if you want to have a long live stream. Obviously you can have a smaller power pack, but this one is really powerful and can last for more than a day, I presume. So this is my mobile live stream setup, the way I connected a camera, hybrid camera, to a cheap Android smartphone to broadcast on Facebook.